Yes, Hiren, there was a complaint for delayed delivery. On 10th, we have closed this case, and on 11th, you have raised an issue for the product which you have not received, but it's still marked as delivered.
Hmm.
That case was raised here, Hiren. I do understand there is a delay from our end, but as informed you, the case is with escalation. Give us 3 days of time. Let
Why
me
should
just
I
have
give
a.
you 3 days? Can you let me know?
We will talk with our consult team where the issue
No,
is
this
faced
should have
from.
done earlier, right?
Yes, Hiren.
I cannot keep hearing this every day, right? That give me 1 day, give me 2 day, give me 3 day. Where did you get
Yes,
my
Hiren.
complaint from?
I didn't get you. Complaint from in the sense?
I have called up your helpline multiple times, but no one was bothered to answer. So, from where did you get my complaint? Is it through your helpline or through which channel?
It is from our social media. As you have tweeted the things from there, we have they have moved it to escalation team, and now the case is with escalation.
So, the Twitter team has not done anything, right?
No, Twitter team they have moved the case because it's have been pending from
So
long
they
time. So they
asked,
have
so they asked me to give timeline till 16th. So they could not resolve the case, so they forwarded to you.
yes, yes. So
I cannot wait
sir,
for 3 days. Sorry.
okay, at least 48 hours of time, Hiren.
No, no, I can
48,
give you timeline till 4 o'clock today, not beyond that.
4 o'clock. That will be impossible, Hiren.
No,
That
then
will be
3 days. What will you do? You will go there walking to someone's office and then check. Why should it take 3 days?
Hiren.
Call up and check. No, call someone.
We are doing that, Hiren, from our end. We are doing that, but as the
Mm, Then
time is like,
cancel the order, please.
you want to cancel the order
Yeah,
here. So can I place your call on hold for 2 minutes here? Let me just have and check and update you regarding this,
yeah.
Hiren. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being online, Hiren. As I have checked that there is some issues from our end because of that you are facing this here. I need 48 hours of time here, Hiren. Within 4 o'clock, it will be impossible from our end. I need 48 hours of time so that I can come back to you with an update here,
Sorry, I
Hiren.
missed your name. What is your name?
Savita.
Savita, if you understand my issue, this is you're
Yes.
not the first one whom I'm talking to in Mintra, right?
Okay.
I have been calling you guys from 3rd of July. On 3rd of
Yes,
July, when
Hiren.
I called you, you guys told me, sir, give us 2 days. I called after 2 days. On 5th of July, when I again called, you asked me to give one more day. I called after 1 day. Again, you asked me for 3 days. I called after 3 days. So altogether, I have made around 8 to 10 calls, and
Yes.
you are around 10th person to ask me about the same information that give me 2 days.
Yes,
Now tell
Hiren.
me which officer should I trust and which officer should I not trust. I have trusted all the
Uh,
officers and none of them have given me any resolution. Give me a good reason to trust you.
okay. Hiren, I totally understand that there is a delay from our end and there is some miscommunication
Savita, please
regarding.
don't repeat this information again. You are reading the script again and again. There is a delay, there is a delay, there is a delay.
Okay, Hiran. So as mentioned earlier, the case now has been moved to escalation. We are not escalating the case. We are as an escalation team. The case have been moved to escalation team. So give me this much of time so that I can come back to with
It
an
is
update
not
as an case
possible for me,
manager.
Savita. It is not possible for me. There is a level of self-respect that I have,
Yes,
right?
yes,
How much
yes,
time should I give
Hiren.
you?
Hiren, I know it's a delay from our end. Please allow me this much of time, so that let me just check with our team and come back to you with an update here, Hiren. I know as a customer, order is not delivered to, it is marked delivered. I totally understand here, but as an case
See,
manager, give me
the
this much of
only issue
time.
is this is not the only issue, right? That the product is marked delivered and I have not received. It is a matter of the delay.
Yes,
If
yes,
I've ordered on 3rd of, sorry, 24th of June and today we are on 18th of July, uh,
yes,
you are, how much time do you need for resolving one issue? 3rd of July was the expected date. It is more than 2 weeks that you guys are following up with the courier. Two
yes,
weeks are
Hiren.
not sufficient for you, and you are now asking me 2 more days. How does it sound?
I know, Hiren, that this is not an experience that you want from Mintra. I do
How do you
understand you are.
investigate the case? Can you tell me? Do you raise an internal request and someone will open that on his own comfort? If he's not opening, then you will say, sir, give me 2 more days. I believe
No,
that is the only thing that is happening there. You guys don't pick up
yeah,
the phone and call up the internal teams to check what is the status, or you don't call up the courier to know.
Hiren, actually, if we have that, we would have done. But here there is no number. We don't. There is no
Then
particular
you will
number
not
which
get a
mentions
resolution
here.
even after 2 days, Savita. If this is the way you are going to again check, even after 2 days, you are not going to get call up the courier. No one is responding back from the courier. So how will you give me the resolution after 2 days? If the same steps you are going to follow again, you are going to follow same steps which the others have followed, and they have not got any information. So how will you get that information? What is the different in you that you will get an answer from them?
The difference is that, like we, as mentioned, that we are in case manager, so we will try to come back to with an update here, Hiren.
Previously, also the person who spoke to me was a case manager only, Savita. The social media team told me they are the highest escalation level.
So can you please allow me 48 hours of time, Hiren? Please, I request you here. Please allow me 48 hours of time so that we can come back to with an
Nothing is
update
going
here.
to happen. After 2 days, I will only need to give you a call and follow up, and no one is going
No,
to connect my call to you. They will only
no,
say, sir,
no,
we don't have the option to transfer to same person. They will.
no, Hiren.
It has
Sorry to
never
interrupt.
happened, Savita. It has never happened.
Sorry to interrupt you here. Sorry to interrupt you here, Hiren. As mentioned, the case is with escalation, and as an escalation case manager, we will call back you and we will update regarding the status here. There is no
This
need that you
is
should call us.
repeated previously also, Savita. I'm telling you, not the this is not something that I am hearing it for the first time. This is I have heard every time, sir. You will get a call back. You will get a call back.
You
None
will
of
get the
them
call
have
back.
called me for with a status. You should have at least checked and called me with some status. Every time you cannot ask me to give some time. I even don't understand why do you need 2 days to just check this particular case.
We have to communicate with our team, and only then we can come back to an update here, Hiren.
Do
I
whatever
know
you
that.
want to do, Savita. I trust you that you are not going to solve this case in 2 days. I have that much of confidence now.
No, Hiren, we will come back to you with an update within 48 hours, Hiren.
Can you give me in writing?
Yeah, I can do that here. That we will come back to you with an update within 48 hours here, Hiren, regarding
48
this
hours
issue.
from what time? And is it 48 working hours? There are 8 hours in one day. So it is, do you
It
mean 6 working days or is it
no,
2 days?
no, it will be on 2 days within Saturday, Hiren.
What time Saturday?
Saturday, this particular time at 3.
Give me in writing.
I'll do that, Hiren, for you.
How? How will you write me?
I will send you a mail.
Okay, I will wait for your mail.
Thank you so much, Hiren, for
You mention
allowing
that
me.
I will give you a resolution. Don't get back to me on Saturday. Okay? Don't get back to me on Saturday and say, sir, we need 3 more days.
Hiren, as mentioned that I can't give you the false promises here. I can
Then
come
we are
back to
back
you
to
with an
square
update
one.
here.
We are back to square one. Saturday you will call me and you will say, sir, we are not getting a answer from the courier. So allow me 3 more days. We will wait for courier to come back.
Let me
Right?
just check, Hiren. Let me just check with our team and come back to you with an update here, Hiren. First of all, I have to check with our team exactly where the wrong is going on.
Okay, I
Only
will
then I
keep
can.
escalating this case till to the time I get a resolution. You follow your own process. I will follow my own process. ठीक है?
Yes,
Thank you.
Hiren. Thank you so much for stopping at me.